Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the Bobbi Kit. It was just launched yesterday, and I'm going to be using some of the products. Now I'm sure if you haven't seen Bobbi's live, go check it out on, I believe it's on Jones Road or under her Instagram. Definitely check it out. She goes over and answers a lot of questions and kind of, you know, just gives you a breakdown of why these products were picked for her kit, or why she picked those products. Well, they're her go-to products, basically. But I'm going to demo them on my skin tone so you guys can see. All right. So I'm going to start off with, let me tell you what's in the kit in case you don't know. You get the Miracle Balm, which is super popular, super versatile, multi-use, travel size. These are so cute in the shade Tawny. This is great for all over in place of a moisturizer. If you don't need a thick moisturizer or anything like that, this is great as a blush, as a lip, as an eyeshadow. It is really all of that. It does it. Then you get eyeshadow in Smoky Gray, which is a really beautiful color that really works across the board on most skin tones. It's great for a nice kind of wash of color, especially now in the fall, like when we want to add like a little bit of drama in our life, in her eyes, but it can quickly build to a nice smoky eye. Cool Gloss in Nude Beige, which is one of my favorite nude shades. I'm not big on anything on my lips. I actually hate things on my lips, but this I love because I don't feel it on me, and it's a perfect nude color where I don't look like dead or, you know what I'm saying? It has just enough color, but it doesn't. Does that make sense? Very, very natural, and it looks great as a blush. If you're ever in a pinch, just throw it on your cheeks and you will be glowing with a nude blush. Eyebrow pencil. Whoa. I have the best pencil in brown. This one is actually my favorite too. I love it as eyeliner. I love it. I was using it in my brows before the brow pencils were launched, and I like it. It's very pretty. You can use it as an eyeshadow, as an eyeliner. Last year during Halloween, when I had the starter kit, was the first time I had gotten the brown pencil. I actually used it as a lip liner, and it was fun. It was different. Very, very easy to work with, very blendable, but it gets the job done, and you get the most beautiful line. All right, and last, of course, I saved the newest little launch that they snuck in to this, to the kit, and it's the best blush in Pop, which is a gorgeous pink that, I kid you not, works on a lot of skin tones. I actually got an opportunity to watch Bobbi use this on fair skin, tan skin, and it was unbelievable. It's gorgeous. That's all I have to say. All right, let's try these on. So I need to touch up my brows, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the eyeliner in brown. Again, just another option if you want to use it. It is very multi-use. So I'm actually going to take it in brown. I'm going to come in a little bit close so you can see. I just need to fill in a little bit here and here. Oh, and I'm using my mirror that's in my new blush. See how that just like filled it in? Now I'm going to go with my finger to blend it. I'm using my finger because it's going to give it like, there's makeup, but there's not makeup there. Very, very light hand with this, by the way, because it's very pigmented. Like I'm just grazing my brow. See? Don't mind my brows. I know I need to get them done. I'm going to do this side. So again, just an option if your brows are similar to mine, this color would work. Or, if you're just like a brunette, I think you'll like it. All right, next up, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow. And it's Smoky Gray. I'm going to do a light wash, and then I'm going to smoke it up a bit for you. Again, no primer. I never use primer. It's just not something that it's a part of my makeup routine. and I don't need it. See, it's a nice wash of color. I think that's beautiful for every day. Again, makeup does not have to be complicated. This is honestly true. A makeup minimalist's dream, like makeup kit. So that's a nice wash of color. Now I'm gonna build it up a bit. And I'm just gonna pack the color on my lower lid. Just like that. Super pretty. I'm gonna go back with that liner and I'm gonna line my eyes. Again, just walk it across your lash line. You do not need that much pressure. See? Don't forget to get your inner corners here. Just like that. Okay. Tawny. This is great if you want to use as underneath your foundation. If you have a lot of yellow in your face, it helps to kind of cut it, to kind of balance you out. I love to use it as a little bit of a blush. Now I'm going to put it on light because I do want to show you the powder blush, but I do want to show you how this looks on my skin tone. Very nice for the lips. It feels so good. Okay, we're getting close to the blush. I'm gonna take Nude Beige. This is another product that I absolutely love. Just take it, again, it's like the perfect nude shade, the everyday color. See how pretty? And it doesn't feel like sticky. It's not sticky. It doesn't feel goopy or anything. And it smells really good. But I love like peppermint smells. Okay. Last but absolutely not least is Pop. This is a pop of color. Pop is short for Pop of Pink, I believe. Pretty sure it's Pop of Pink. I'm going to take my blush brush and tap it very lightly. That's very pigmented, so you want to knock off the excess just so it's not too heavy or anything. And start layering it up. Remember, it's easier to apply color versus take it off. So if you work in layers, it's better that way because then you can nicely build the color. Look at that. Like, look at this side of my face versus this side. Like, this is more awake, it's more brightened, it's, you know, it's good. So pretty. I love pink. Pink is the best. Like, if you ever want a color that's going to make you just look very refreshed and awake and like youthful, always go with pink. It will never fail you. I promise. See. And now Bobbi mentioned on her live, a way that you can use this, like it's a multi-use, is if you take it, right, and kind of put it over the gloss. It gives it like a nice stain. See, it brought pink to my lips. And again, now my face looks, I don't know, it just looks good. It looks better. See? Super easy, beautiful essentials. If you do pick it up, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts, what you think about it. I think you're going to love it. But all right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.